Learn how to install your pre-attached Nostalgic Warehouse vintage door hardware in this quick video tutorial. Once you receive your hardware, open the box to check what is included. The box includes two pre-attached knob and plate assemblies, two 1 3/4 inch machine screws and two 1.5 inch machine screws, one strike plate with two wood screws, one faceplate with two wood screws, one spindle, one latch, and one plastic anti-rotation block. For the privacy door sets, you will also receive one privacy release key and one privacy pin. You will also need a Phillips head screwdriver and measuring tape. Remove any current hardware you may have on your door. If this is a new door, make sure there is already a pre-drilled borehole. Use your measuring tape to measure from the edge of the door to the center of the borehole. Standard back sets are either 2 3/8 inches or 2 3/4 inches. Standard doors are 1 3/8 inches thick or 1 3/4 inches thick. This will help you determine which machine screws to use. Take the anti-rotation block and latch out of the box. If you have a privacy set, locate the privacy function hole on the latch. Make sure the threaded side of the privacy function hole is installed facing the interior side of the door. Insert the anti-rotation block in the bore hole. Make sure the arrow is facing the edge of the door. Insert the latch into the anti-rotation block. If you have a privacy set, make sure the non-threaded privacy release hole faces the outside of the door. The beveled side of the tongue should face towards the door jamb when the door is opened. If it is facing the wrong direction, rotate the tongue. Place the faceplate over the latch tongue and use the wood screws to attach the faceplate to the door. Insert the spindle through the latch from the outside of the door with the button side first. Make sure you push the button down and hold down during insertion. Slide the exterior half onto the spindle. For privacy sets, the exterior half has one visible hole for the privacy pin. Align the posts on the inside of the plate vertically into the slotted holes on the anti-rotation block. Make sure the privacy release hole is adjacent to the door's edge. Slide the interior knob and plate onto the spindle. For privacy sets, the interior half has one additional hole for the privacy pin. Align the posts on the inside of the plate into the slotted holes of the plastic anti-rotation block. Make sure the privacy pin hole is adjacent to the door's edge. Use the machine screws to secure the interior assembly to the exterior assembly. For doors that are 1 3/8 inches thick, use the 1.5 inch machine screws. For doors that are 1 3/4 inches thick, use the 1 3/4 inch machine screws. For privacy sets, insert the privacy pin in its hole and twist to tighten. To ensure functionality, push the privacy pin in and check that the exterior knob does not turn. To test the privacy release function, with the door open, push in the privacy pin. Then insert the privacy release key on the outside of the door and push to unlock the door. The last step is the installation of the strike plate. Place the strike plate on the inside of the door jamb and install with the provided wood screws. You have now correctly installed your beautiful vintage Nostalgic Warehouse hardware. For more information about Nostalgic Warehouse, contact our customer support team.